Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about one of the most important internal genital organ of female body, that is uterus. Now we will discuss about nulliparous uterus and gravid uterus. Now non-pregnant uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped or pyriform shaped muscular organ. It is situated in the pelvic cavity between bladder anteriorly and rectum posteriorly. Now the size and shape of uterus. The uterus is about 6 to 8 cm long, 5 cm broad and thickness is 2.5 cm. Weight of nulliparous uterus varies from 50 to 70 grams, while multiparous uterus weighs 80 grams or more. Now the pregnant uterus. In pregnancy, uterine enlargement is mainly due to hypertrophy of muscle cells. Now, weight of pregnant uterus is 1000 grams. Length of the pregnant uterus is 35 cm and capacity is 5000 ml. Now, parts of uterus. Corpus, isthmus and cervix are the different parts of uterus. First, the body or corpus. It is the upper triangular portion of the uterus. Now, the body or corpus is further divided into fundus, body proper and cornua. Second, isthmus. Isthmus, it is the 0.5 cm constricted part between the anatomical internal os above and histological internal os below. At this point, the epithelium of the uterus changed to that of the cervix. Isthmus is of special obstetric importance as it forms the lower uterine segment during pregnancy and caesarean delivery also performed through it. Now cervix. Cervix is 2.5 cm long, the lower cylindrical portion of the uterus, which projects into vagina to form fornix. Now the blood supply of the uterus. The blood supply is mainly from uterine and ovarian arteries. The uterine artery is main branch of internal iliac artery. Other sources are ovarian and vaginal artery, with which uterine arteries anastomose. Now, venous drainage of uterus. The venous channels correspond to the arterial cords and drain into internal iliac veins. The lymphatic drainage of uterus. From the fundus and upper part of the body of the uterus, preaortic and lateral aortic groups of glands. The cornu drains into superficial inguinal glands along the round ligament. The lower part of the body drains into external iliac groups. On each side of the cervix, lymphatic drains into external iliac and obturator lymph nodes, either directly or through paracervical lymph nodes, internal iliac groups and sacral groups. Now, nerve supply of the uterus. The nerve supply of the uterus is mainly derived from sympathetic systems and partly from the parasympathetic systems. Now, sympathetic components are from T5 to T6, that is motor, T10 to L1 spinal segment, that is sensory. Hope this video will help you to understand the anatomy of the uterus. Thank you for listening. Thank you. And most importantly, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.